What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another quick episode here on 5-Star Cars, Car Channel, where I just give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the supercar community and some of the videos or channels I've watched during the day. If you're new to the channel, guys, you just checked us out, please do consider smashing the subscribe button if you like this kind of stuff. I just give my thoughts and opinions on videos I've watched on some of your favourite car YouTubers and smaller channels. And also, guys, you can vote for your 2020 Car YouTuber of the Year in the description below. Literally click on the link, it's multiple choice. I will release the winner on January 1st, so if you're interested in that kind of stuff, guys, vote away and keep an eye out on the channel for when we announce the winner as well. And hopefully we can get 2,000 subs as well, so that would be pretty dope because I really want to get a project car for the channel hopefully next year. But until then, that's what I'm going to do. I love chatting to you guys in the comments below, so like squad, hit this video a like and do comment below. Just on today's quick video, guys, it's just about a channel in the UK called Ratarosa. He's a big Ferrari enthusiast. He basically has an old, I think it's a Testarossa. He has a I think he's a 360 Mondana, I think it is called. But he recently just purchased a Ferrari, I think it's a BBI 512, I think it is, standing if I'm correct. But the reason I brought this up is because I love seeing an old car getting restored, especially like one of the big supercar brands like Lamborghini or Ferrari. And these guys got a lot of work to do on this build. Honestly, guys, if you're into that kind of stuff, do check out his channel, link in the description below. He's already released 2 videos on it. I think he's near 80,000 subscribers. So if you want to subscribe to his channel and check it out, I think it's going to be a very good build. So far, if you watch the videos, like basically the back lights, one of them is rusted, the panel, the engine looks like it needs a bit of work. The inside looks pretty immaculate. The outside it was sitting on a driveway for 10 years, just in weather conditions. In the UK, it's like here in Ireland, crap weather. But I think it's going to be really cool to see it transform from the way it was to whatever it ends up. I don't know if you guys watch Ammo's channel, where they do a lot of restorations, like do paint correction, that kind of stuff. He was talking about trying to do a collab with them, but they're in the States and he's in the UK, so I don't know if he'll be able to do them with traveling and COVID and all that kind of stuff. But I mean, it's going to be an interesting build. So I just want to bring to your attention if there's something you're looking for to keep an eye out on. Let me know in the comments below, guys, if you've seen his channel or you've seen this build and what you think of it. Would you take this opportunity to do one if you were into old cars like that? He said it cost 400,000 for that car, and back in when it was in great condition, it was supposed to be one of the best conditions in the world at the time. So there's some amount of work to go into it, but it's a good series, I think, to binge on. As long as he keeps content regular, he should hit 100k subs pretty soon. But I'm going to keep an eye on it. I am going to report on it as it goes along as well. But I just thought it might be a channel that might be in interest of you. So if you want to check it out, go and check it out. So that's all I want to report for today, guys. I will have a longer video hopefully out tomorrow. The reason why it's a short one is because I just don't have the time to make a long one today. It's just a quick one because I just got 101 things to do. So until the next episode, that should be longer. Hopefully, guys, you like this kind of stuff. Hit the subscribe button, definitely give it a like, and definitely comment below, and also vote for your 2020 Car YouTuber of the Year as well. So until the next episode, guys, please stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.